welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be demoing the kitchen, mostly focusing on demoing the ceiling, tearing all of those boards out, and removing all of the insulation. Our goal is to turn the ceiling into a vaulted ceiling. So we've got to tear out the ceiling and then we'll be later building rafters. And here we are tearing out the last bit of sheetrock left on the walls, and we are also removing all of the insulation. So basically we're tearing everything down to the studs. I'm going to be taking out all of the nails. Right here I'm showing you all the nails sticking out of the studs. We've got to remove that. So right here I'm taking all those nails out, preparing it to be ready for when we add new sheetrock to the walls. And here I'm sweeping up all of the trash and the insulation and tidying up a bit before we move on to our next project. So here's some befores. And afters. Here's what we've gotten done so far. We've gotten all the walls cleared up, got the ceiling out, all of the insulation is gone, and we're ready for our next step, which will be getting rid of those beams. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed, come back for our next video, which we will be continuing our demo, and there'll be some progress on our beams that we are going to be installing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.